to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah.
Thank you so much for coming back into my channel. So today I will be telling you guys about this gorgeous unit that I have on my head right now. It's called Kamalia, and she is by Outre's Melted Hairline, and I have her in the color DRFF2 Cherry Red, and she does have this beautiful gradient effect where it does start off with dark colors and then it goes down to this beautiful wine color. So I did order this unit off of ebonyline.com, and I believe I paid $43.95 plus shipping and handling, so the total was $47.94. And I did get this unit in about 3 to 5 business days. Ebony Line is very, very good at shipping quickly, so if you need to get your wig or units quickly, I would definitely recommend Ebony Line. This unit does come in a lot of different other colors. I'm just gonna put them right here. So of course you have your standard dark colors, your blondes, your browns, and your burgundies. She does come with baby hairs. I did not have to do really any plucking on this unit, and it does have a frontal effect as well. So Outre is very, very good at making sure that the frontal area looks really realistic, so you don't have to spend any time at all plucking out any hairs. So this is a heat-friendly unit as well. I believe you can use a curling iron or whatever up to 425 degrees. I would not personally go up that high. I typically use my pressing comb up to like 350, and maybe my small flat iron up to like 350 as well. And you will get a 5-inch deep parting space. And I like this unit because I do like my parts to be on my left side versus my right side. So this unit does come with the left part. It is pretty deep from the parting space here. And it does come with sideburns, but I did cut out sideburns because this unit is big head friendly. So I actually had a lot of hair that went, the lace went from like ear to ear. So I had to cut off some of the lace on the sides. And that's pretty much it. It does have the standard 2 combs up here and a comb in the back. And it does have the elastic strap as well, which I know is pretty popular. I typically don't use the elastic strap, but I mean, it is nice to have that for more security with the unit. So this unit really reminds me of Laurel, and I love Laurel. She's sold out everywhere, so this one is kind of making me feel a little bit better that I don't have another Laurel in my possession. So it does come pretty long on me. I am 5 feet tall, so this unit is coming all the way down, like past my waist. I don't know if you can see that, but she does have these really pretty, gorgeous barrel curls. And so far it feels very, very good. I'm not experiencing a lot of tingling. There is some shedding that you will get with this unit, but it is synthetic, so that should come expected whenever you purchase a unit like this. So if you made it this far in the video, definitely go ahead and thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. If you've already watched a lot of my videos and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? So anyway, I thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.